What's up guys, this is the guy in tech here. My name is Akhil and today we have something really special to unbox, and that's the Google Stadia. I had ordered the Founders Edition a few months ago and I got it today. So this has this incredible packaging. It says Founder Editions right here, Founder Edition right here, and the Founder Edition ships with the Stadia controller and the Google Chromecast Ultra. And yeah, it says one place for all the ways we play. Interesting. So let's open the package. Wow. This is the night blue controller, probably the most important part of this package. This is an exclusive controller only for the Founders Edition. You cannot buy it outside if you do not buy a Founders Edition. If you buy the Premier Edition, you would get a white controller and not the night blue. It has these regular analog buttons, the regular X, A, Y, B, beautiful trigger buttons, but they are large compared to the DualShock and the Xbox controllers. A dedicated headphone jack spot. The controller charges via USB-C right here, and it's not as heavy as the Xbox controller and feels smooth in the hands. That's the night blue controller, guys. Looks nice. Let's see what else do we have in the package here. Okay. This is the USB-C charging cable. It's a pretty long one to charge up your controller. And this is the power adapter for the Stadia. We have an envelope sort of thing in between the power adapters box. Let me just open it up to see what do we have here. Okay. Oh wait, that was floppy. We have the Stadia stickers, and we have a personalized note. It says, "The promise of creating one place for all the ways we play is a long-held dream. Today we are proud to see the dream becoming a reality." It's like a personal touch to your package. Nice. Okay, in here we have probably what you call the console of a Google Stadia. This is the Chromecast Ultra. You see the magnetic touch here? This is your console, guys. You do not need a high-end gaming PC right now, or Sony PS4 or an Xbox console or a dedicated console to play your games anymore. You just need a controller and a Chromecast Ultra to play the big graphic games on your TV. And you don't need to stick to the TV only. You can play it on your phones, on your laptops, using the Chrome browser. So that's the beauty of cloud gaming. You do not need to stick to one particular thing, or you do not need to go buy a disc, wait to install it, load it, and then play the game. That's cloud gaming for you guys. So let's see what else is there. Okay, we have got the power adapter for the Chromecast Ultra. Oh wow, I have not seen this. Okay, there is a dedicated Ethernet cable or a dedicated spot for your internet cable. So it does connect wirelessly, but if you want to connect it wired through a proper cable, you can do that using this adapter. So I guess it's for better performance, giving you a better performance than the wireless. That's the unboxing of the Google Stadia, guys. I cannot talk much more about it because I haven't tested it out. It comes out with 22 games to try, so I will go try the Stadia and I will come back and give you a much better review of the Google Stadia on the basis of its performance. But this is the unboxing of the Google Stadia and what all comes with the package. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Bye bye.